welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aishi. If you are new here, then thanks a lot for dropping in here, and if you are old, then thanks for supporting me again, clicking on this video. So for my today's video, I thought of making an Instagram video. So it has been a long time since I last made an Instagram video, and that was how I edit my Instagram pictures. Now today's video is going to be about how to take a perfect selfie. Ta-da! So these are really simple and easy tips to follow. You do not have to invest in anything. These are just simple things you can do while clicking or taking your selfies. So if you enjoy this and find it helpful, please consider subscribing before leaving. Also follow me on Instagram to see more selfies of myself if you want to. And let's begin with this video. So my number one tip is to click pictures where there is good lighting. It could be golden hour, or it could be a good sunlight, or it could be a good lighting like we have here, because that really helps you to get good pictures. Don't take selfies in a dark room or in some place which has bad lighting. Like, why do you want to take pictures in a place where there is bad lighting? Except if you are in parties or concerts, but that's an exception. Anyways, to be honest, I enjoy taking selfies in golden hour as well, but I do not have an obsession with it, like my every selfie has to be in golden hour. So a general tip which I use while taking pic in golden hours without burning my retinas out is that I close my eyes like 1, 2, 3, and I open my eyes just when I'm going to click my photos, and that way I think the photos turn out to be more appropriate and your eyes look much fuller and more bigger. And because taking selfies is such a big struggle, and you just cannot get a perfect click by one shot unless you are Bella Hadid, of course, but we are trying to work with what we have. But everybody is beautiful, of course. So what I do is I close my eyes and then I read it in my mind 1, 2, 3, and then I open up my eyes just when I'm going to click the pictures. You can also set a timer and have that shutter sound on so that you can be aware of when the picture is going to be clicked. In my first tip, I said that there should be no shadows and there should be good lighting, and of course there still should be good lighting because you don't want to have that grainy effect on your pictures. You want to have the best resolution. So still, if you want some shadows and you want to play with different kind of shadows, then the thing you can do while taking your pic in golden hour is to look for different shadows, look for different effects, look for different nets and meshes and different kind of things which create that shadowy effect. And apart from that, if you don't want to play with shadows, you can play with your hair, you can play with your different positions with your hands and fingers. Is just so popular. You can always try out and find out what looks best with your face and what position makes your selfie more unique than the last one which you just took. So my next tip is very important, and all of the tips are important, but this tip is also important. Maybe I should have mentioned it earlier, but the ones I mentioned earlier were important as well. So my next tip is know your angle, ladies. You should always know your angles when clicking selfies. If you want to get a degree and if you want to get a PhD in how to click selfies, how to have that perfect selfie, you should know your angle. Like, this is the angle by which I look nice, or at least that is what I think. Anyways, we are not going to talk about myself, but the general tip is that you should know your angles when clicking your selfies, because that is what decides the outcome of your selfie. The general thing which I have observed is that if you take your phone and put it in an angle or put it higher above your face a little bit, your eyes appear to be bigger and your lips appear to be smaller, and you look more cute, like that Barbie doll kind of a look. But if you do not prefer Barbie doll kind of a look, and if you put your phone slightly downwards below your chin or just a little bit downwards, you will see that it creates an illusion of your lips being more puffier, more bigger, and it makes your eyes look smaller. So it's just the vice versa or opposite. The upper one makes your eyes bigger and make you look cute, while when you move your phone downwards, it make your lips bigger and make you look more sexy. Even in selfies, we are still gonna create variations, so always try to do something else, always try to do something different. So the next tip that I have for you guys is to have a good background. Now this might not be a very good background, but I am trying to work with what I have. So anyways, the things when taking a selfie, I try to have opaque solid colored backgrounds. Like, it could be a wall, it could be any furniture or anything, but it should be solid colored. Even if it's not solid colored, make sure that your background is clear, clean, and there is no garbage lying around. Like, it should be something which you know you can be sure of posting on Instagram. I always try to take pictures or selfies which I'm sure that yes, it's a good picture, it's a good selfie if I can post it on Instagram. And if you want, sometimes it can be a little bit messy. So the thing I always do, and the easiest thing, is to find a white colored background, any neutral colored background, any background which is solid colored, and you are good to go. There would be nothing in that picture which can destroy your look until you your face, which happens with me all the time. So with the background, make sure that you have a good presentable background. So my next tip is going to be have a good makeup, have a good outfit, get your hair done nicely or do it yourself. The main thing is that you should look nice, you should feel confident when clicking that selfie. Now it doesn't matter if you're taking your pictures in your house or your selfies at your house, which is mostly probably what I do. It doesn't matter. So always have on a good makeup, feel confident, and you are gonna get a perfect selfie. And talking about makeup and all of that things, the thing I want to say is that sometimes camera draws your makeup out. Now you might look in the mirror and you'll be like, oh, I look so pretty, but then you'll be trying to get a selfie and you'll realize that you don't look so pretty in your phone camera. So try to do a little bit of extra makeup or excess makeup when trying to click a selfie, and then you can also do editing to enhance those things like blush on the cheeks and eyebrows. But still, if you do not want to correct every hair of your eyebrows or put so much efforts in general, then put on a little bit of more makeup so that your camera takes that and you get that perfect selfie. And my last tip is to gain inspiration, and by inspiration I mean check out other source sites, Instagram being so common, Pinterest as well, and you can find out various selfie ideas, like how you want to position your phone and from which angle you want your selfie to come, from above, from below, you want those eyes, you want those lips, you want that outfit. You can take various inspiration. You can check out my Instagram as well if you want to see my selfies. I post selfies there, I post daily outfits there. So make sure you check out my Instagram. You don't have to, but you can, so do it if you want to and gain some inspiration. Look at celebrities, look at other pictures, selfies, and you can even try to recreate them and be creative if you want to. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Those are the tips I follow while clicking on a selfie. Now you can comment down below which one I missed or which one you do or which one I should follow to get that perfect selfie, because I'm still trying to learn. So comment down below if I missed something. And I post 2 times a week on Monday and Friday. This was different than my usual fashion videos, but I will do it, of course. This was just a change of taste. So if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, keep on clicking amazing selfies. Bye.